Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file, and this is the way they want it. But when and also it's a paragraph text. I very seldom ever use paragraph text. And he wants them in this placement. So if he takes the text and holds down the shift and selects that and go EC, it puts it in the center, vertically and horizontally, but he doesn't want it there. He wants it like off the top. So if you had a list of names and you've already still got these two selected, I'm going to hit T and put it to the top. And then I set my nudge distance on 0.2. You can change that. And then, I need to be 0.02. And then take this and nudge it down to relatively that spot. So really pretty quickly, C-E-T, and then you have to click off of it to take your text and then just arrow down. And you could really probably just shift select and hit E. No, that's going to put it in the center. Well, let's back up. Grab that, hold down the shift and hit C, and then hit T, and then uncheck it and take your text and move it down to whatever dimension. I think what the problem is the paragraph text is holding it up. So real quickly, I'm going to go EC, T, and then you have to check off of it and get the text and move it down. So you could do quite a few names like this, EC, T, and that's putting it to the top, click off of it and move it down. One more time, shift select that, EC, T, shift select, or take it off and hit T, or hit arrow key down. So all of them are, and I know he's going to use different names, but that way they would all be off. I don't know if this is going to be like a stamp or whatever, but I've never seen, I mean, with this paragraph text, I can't even do anything with it. I can't even convert it to right here, you normally convert it to a regular text, but you can't do anything to it. So that was my problem with it, because this paragraph is the size of that, and you make it bigger and make it bigger. So I would try it with just using artistic text. Anyway, I hope that helped, and if it's not, he'll let me know and we'll figure it out. Thank you much. Well, thank you for watching.